Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for that perfect mascara that gives you long, dramatic lashes without the fuss, you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today, we're talking about the e.l.f. Lash XTNDR Mascara, which promises to deliver lash extension-like results with its unique tubing technology. Let's dive right into what makes this mascara stand out. So, what's all the hype about this mascara? Well, e.l.f. has introduced a product that's built with tubing technology, a technique that's been gaining a lot of traction in the beauty world. Instead of just coating the lashes with pigment, tubing mascaras create little tubes around each individual lash. This adds visible length without clumping, flaking, or smudging, which is something a lot of us look for in a mascara, especially for an all-day wear. Now, let's break down what's inside the tube. The mascara is infused with 5% jojoba seed oil, which helps nourish and condition the lashes as you wear it. So not only are you getting dramatic length, but your lashes are also being taken care of throughout the day. No more worrying about brittle lashes at the end of the day. In terms of application, the tapered silicone brush is designed to grip each lash, separating them as it goes. The texture is smooth, making it easy to layer if you want that extra length or volume. And of course, one of the main selling points is that this mascara is clump-free and flake-free, so you don't have to deal with the dreaded spider lashes look. I've been testing this mascara for a few weeks now, and I've got to say, the results are impressive. The tubing technology really does make a difference. I found that my lashes appeared visibly longer, and the color payoff was a deep pitch black, just like I like it. It held up well throughout the day, even with my long hours at the office. No smudging under my eyes, which is a huge win for me, especially since I have oily skin. Now I know some of you might be wondering, how easy is it to remove? The best part about tubing mascaras is that they slide right off with warm water, no makeup remover required. This is especially a plus for anyone with sensitive eyes or anyone who hates rubbing their lashes with harsh chemicals. But of course, there are a few things to consider. While it delivers on the length and drama, I didn't get quite as much volume as I would have liked. So if you're a volume lover, this might not be your holy grail. Also, it's a bit tricky to layer too much product. If you try to build it up too much, you might start to get a bit of a heavy feel on the lashes, which isn't my favorite. But for everyday wear, the length and separation it provides are great. As for the price, this mascara is quite affordable, especially considering its performance. If you're someone who's tried high-end tubing mascaras, you'll appreciate that e.l.f. offers a much more budget-friendly option with similar results. It's a steal, really, and considering it's vegan and cruelty-free, you're getting great value without compromising on ethics. When it comes to build quality, e.l.f. has always been known for offering high-quality products at a lower price point, and this mascara is no exception. The packaging feels sturdy enough, and the formula itself isn't too thick or too thin. It's just right for an easy application. Now, what about alternatives? If you're looking for a bit more volume, you could try a mascara like the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, which gives a bit more oomph in the volume department while still providing that long, fluttery look. But for tubing technology at an affordable price, this is a standout option. Overall, the e.l.f. Lash XTNDR Mascara is a solid choice for anyone who wants length and separation without worrying about flakes or smudges. It's especially great for daily use, and the fact that it's infused with jojoba oil gives it that extra edge for lash care. If you're a fan of tubing mascaras, or just want to try something that delivers on length without breaking the bank, I think you'll really enjoy this one. If this review was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.